Hi, everyone, and welcome to the English Up podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Emma. It's always so nice to have you here with us.
How are you doing today, Emma?
I'm feeling good. I took a short walk this morning and the weather was just perfect. Sunny, quiet, one of those peaceful mornings.
That sounds amazing. I stayed in, had a big cup of coffee, and just took it slow.
Nice. Slow mornings are the best. And you, listener, how's your day going?
We hope it's going well. And if this is your first time here, or if you've been following us for a while, we're really glad you're joining us.
And if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to the podcast. It helps us a lot, and it helps you keep practicing every week.
Today's topic is one that can really change the way you learn English.
Yes, we're talking about how to train your brain to speak English and how to think in English too.
Let's get started. So, Emma, do you think in English or in your native language?
Good question. Now, I think in English most of the time, but before, it was always in my first language.
Same here. Thinking in English is something you can train, little by little.
Exactly. It's not magic, it's a habit.
Let's start with some simple phrases that help your brain get into English mode.
English mode. I like that.
Here are 5 phrases you can start using in your head every day. 1. What time is it? 2. I'm hungry. 3. Where is my phone? 4. Let's go. 5. I need a break.
These are real thoughts, things we say every day.
Right. You don't need to translate. Just say them in English.
Even if it's in your head, it counts.
It really does. Talking to yourself in English is one of the best ways to learn.
You're not crazy, you're practicing, and it works. Let me tell you something, David. When I was learning Spanish, I used to talk to myself all the time.
Really?
Yes, like I would walk around the house and say, I'm cooking now, this is my spoon, where is my water?
That's perfect. It sounds funny, but it works.
And no one has to hear it. It's just you and your brain.
You can do it in the kitchen, in the shower, or on the bus.
Even at the supermarket. Look at things and name them. Apple, milk, bread. Just say the words in your mind.
Great tip. You can even say, I'm buying apples, or I need bread.
And it doesn't have to be correct every time. Just try. The brain learns by doing.
Here's a tip. Pick one activity, like brushing your teeth, and say everything in English.
Okay, let's do that. You wake up. What do you say?
I'm getting up. I'm going to the bathroom.
Then,
I'm brushing my teeth. This is my toothbrush. The water is cold.
boom. You just used 3 full sentences without opening a book.
No book, no teacher, just you training your brain.
And the more you do it, the faster it becomes automatic.
Let's do a little practice now. I'll say something in English, and you can imagine it in your daily routine.
Ready?
Okay. I'm making coffee.
Now, picture that moment.
Smell the coffee. Feel the cup.
Exactly. Next one. I'm getting dressed.
Choose your clothes in English. Shirt, pants, shoes.
And one more. I'm going to work.
Or school. Or the market. Wherever you go, say it in English.
Even if it's only one sentence.
That's how you grow. One small thought at a time.
One small sentence becomes 5, then 10. That's how it starts.
You know, sometimes I use my phone to help. I change the language to English.
Me too. If your phone is in English, you see words every day.
Settings, calendar, battery, Wi-Fi. It becomes normal.
And when it's normal, it's easy.
Even thinking, "Where is my charger?" helps your brain practice.
I do that with my shopping list. I write it in English. Rice, tomatoes, soap.
That's perfect. And if you forget a word, it's okay. Look it up. Learn one new word at a time.
Let's try one more fun activity.
Okay.
Okay. Imagine you are in your kitchen. What do you see?
I see a fridge, a sink, a microwave.
And what do you say?
I'm opening the fridge. I'm drinking water. I'm washing the dishes.
That's it. Describe what you're doing, even simple things.
Like, I'm sitting down. I'm eating lunch. I'm checking my phone.
These are real moments, and they're great for thinking in English.
So today we talked about how to start thinking in English.
We gave you some great phrases like, I'm hungry. Where is my phone? I need a break.
And we showed how to describe your daily actions, like I'm brushing my teeth, I'm making coffee, I'm getting dressed.
We also gave you tips like changing your phone language and writing your shopping list in English.
Yes, these are small steps, but they help so much.
You don't need perfect grammar. Just think in English a little every day.
That's how your brain gets stronger, little by little.
Be kind to yourself. You're doing great.
Now, we want to hear from you.
What is one thing you do every day? And how would you say it in English?
Write one simple sentence in the comments. We'd love to see it.
And if you enjoyed this episode so far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Because in the next part,
We're going even deeper with more real-life phrases and fun ways to think in English.
you'll learn how to train your brain all day long, even in traffic or at the supermarket.
So, stay with us.
Now, we'll show you more real-life examples to train your brain.
These are small things you can do anywhere, anytime.
Like building an English habit, one small step at a time.
So, let's start with this. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I usually stretch, check my phone, and drink water.
Great! So, how do we say that in English?
I'm waking up. I'm stretching. I'm checking my phone. I'm drinking water.
Perfect. You can even add a few more. I'm opening the window. I'm making the bed.
These actions are simple, but they give your brain a pattern.
And the more you use that pattern, the faster it becomes natural.
You don't have to think hard. You just do it in English.
After the morning, what's next?
Breakfast.
Of course. So we can say, I'm making toast. I'm drinking juice. I'm reading the news.
Or, I'm in a hurry. No time for breakfast.
That happens to me a lot.
Me too. But even in a hurry, you can still think in English.
One sentence is enough. I'm late. Or I have a meeting.
And when you say these phrases often, they stay in your head.
Like music. Like a small song.
Exactly. A song your brain sings in English.
Let's talk about feelings now. How are you feeling today?
I feel relaxed. And you?
I feel happy and a little hungry.
Same here. So, how do we use that?
I feel tired. I feel excited. I feel nervous. I feel cold.
These are short, real phrases, easy to think and say.
And useful. You can use them every day.
Add one more word and make it longer. I feel a little tired. I feel really cold.
Perfect. That's how you grow from simple to better.
Another moment for English is when you're walking.
Yes. Walking is a great time to think. You can describe what you see. I see a tree. I see a dog. The sky is blue.
Or what you're doing. I'm walking fast. I'm listening to music.
It's calm. It's simple. And it's great practice.
You don't need a class, just your thoughts.
And your feet.
Let's give them more phrases, real phrases to keep in their mind.
Good idea. Here are some easy ones. I don't know. I'm not sure. That's okay. I understand. I don't understand.
These are gold. You can use them everywhere.
At work, at school, with friends.
And in your head. When something is hard, say, "It's okay, I can try."
Or, I can learn. Step by step.
That's the spirit. What about things you want?
Oh, that's fun. Start with, I want.
I want pizza. I want to sleep. I want a break.
Or even, I want to learn more English.
That's the one.
You can also say, I need, like, I need help. I need coffee. I need a vacation.
Yes, and I like this song. I like learning. I like this podcast.
Oh, thank you. Let's imagine a normal afternoon now.
Okay, what's happening?
You're working. You look at the clock.
It's 3 p.m. I'm still working. I need a break.
Then you go for a walk.
I'm going outside. The sun feels good. I see a cat.
You come back.
I'm drinking water. I'm answering emails. My back hurts.
These are small but powerful thoughts.
You're living life in English.
Let's pause and review some of the best sentence starters.
Here we go. I'm. I feel. I need. I want. I like. It's. Where is.
And we can mix them. I'm tired. I need sleep. It's late. Where is my phone? I like this quiet time.
These small combos are perfect.
You don't need to be advanced. You just need to be active.
Active with your thoughts.
Let's add a challenge now.
Ooh, I like challenges.
List 5 things in your room and say a sentence about each one.
Okay, my laptop. I'm using it. My chair. It's comfortable. My window. It's open. My pen. It doesn't work. My phone. I can't find it.
I love that. Now you at home, do this too. Look around, speak to your things.
It helps your brain connect English with your life.
And that's the goal.
You know, thinking in English is not about thinking fast.
No, it's about thinking clearly.
One idea at a time.
One word. One sentence.
Don't try to translate everything.
Just let English come slowly, like water.
It's okay to pause. It's okay to repeat.
That's how children learn too.
Before we finish, let's each share one personal trick.
I talk to my dog in English.
That's cute.
He doesn't answer, but I practice. Are you hungry? Let's go. You're a good boy.
I sing in English while cooking. Simple songs, like I'm making pasta, la la la.
That's funny and helpful.
It makes English part of something fun.
And fun makes learning easy.
Let's finish with a quick summary.
Yes. Today we practiced feelings. I feel happy. Used sentence starters. I'm tired. Talked about daily actions. I'm walking, I'm working. Shared tricks, talking to pets, singing while cooking. Used things in the room to build thoughts.
You don't need more time, you just need small moments.
One English sentence a day is enough to start.
And you started today with us.
Now it's your turn.
What's one sentence you thought of in English today?
Share it in the comments. We want to read it.
And if you like this episode, please like and subscribe.
Tell a friend too. Learning together is better.
Thanks again for joining us.
At the English Up podcast.
A calm place to speak, think, and live in English.
See you next time.